Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Now we will tell you news about Cardano cryptocurrency. 1.17 M stakers for Cardano, but what else should ADA holders know about? Cardano is one of the fastest growing projects in the cryptocurrency space. Its ecosystem underwent several upgrades in 2021, including the Alonso hard fork. Interestingly, the demand for ADA for staking purposes has seen an uptick of late, especially in February 2022. Does that give us the full story though? Well, other indicators seem to suggest otherwise. Overlooking Ethereum now ETH, Sol, and ADA are three of the largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Notably, Cardano has managed to stretch its lead over Ethereum in terms of the total number of stakers. Cardano's network concluded the second month of 2022 with 1.17 million stakers. This finding underlined a 2% increase in the number of stakers, up from 1.14 million in January 2022. Here, it is interesting to note that ADA holders had 68.3% of the total supply staked by the end of February. However, ETH had just 7.92% for the same. The total number of stakers on Ethereum was 54,772 on the first day of 2022. On 18 January, this number fell to 54,768 and remained constant throughout February. Based on the statistics previously mentioned, it's clear that Cardano led Ethereum by more than 20 times its total number of stakers in February. Here's the tabulated list of the same. Furthermore, the number of hodlers, wallets that have held ADA for more than a year, grew by 32.1% to hit a new all-time high of 408k in February. Meanwhile, the number of cruisers, wallets holding ADA for 1 month 12 months, grew by 13.4% to 3.62 m. The grass wasn't green on the other side. Despite such bullish scenarios, activity on the blockchain actually declined in February, as the excitement of the SundaSwap DEX faded out, and scalability issues persisted, according to a CryptoCompare report. In fact, monthly transactions fell by 28.0% to 2.73 million, the lowest in 4 months. Surprisingly, the number of addresses also fell in February, with an average of 129k daily active addresses. This accounted for a 26% decrease from the previous month. That's not all either. In February, ADA recorded 6 straight months of losses as it closed at 96 cents after a fall of 8.33% from $1.05 in January. Now, the pertinent question remains, would ADA revive these losses that occurred in February? Well, at press time, it did show some signs of recovery. The number 8 largest token was recording a 4.5% surge in 24 hours as it traded just shy of the 85-cent mark. So next news. Cardano TVL growing at breakneck pace, factors that could propel it to $1 billion in no time. Per data from the DeFi market aggregator, DeFiLlama, the total value locked across all decentralized exchanges and applications running on the Cardano blockchain has set a new high. At its peak today, Cardano's TVL reached $174 million. This is a remarkable leap forward, as market participants have noted. Just last week, the TVL stood at around $130 million. Several DEXs have been performing impressively, including SundaSwap, Meld, and MintSwap, with the latter two now closing in on a value of $50 million each. Prominent members of Cardano's thriving Twitter community pointed out that the proof-of-stake blockchain had been adding over $70 million to its TVL every month since the first DEX launched in January. The pundits went to speculate on when this progress will see Cardano reach a TVL of $1 billion. The query has garnered some responses from other market participants. One observer opined that the TVL target may not be tied to a specific time, but to when the blockchain will host stablecoins. At the moment, there are several Cardano native stablecoin projects under development, including today.Jet and Ardana. However, these projects do not yet have a release date. The earliest stablecoins on the network may potentially be USDT and USDC. These may be introduced once Ada, the cross-bridge Cardano 2 Lira already in testnet, launches. Another narrative of what may catalyze the milestone was noted to be after Cardano's planned upgrade in June. This target is explained to be when Cardano Improvement Proposals (SIPs) will be implemented, which will allow more complex dApps to function. The observation is coming after IOHK, the development arm of the blockchain, recently announced that it had two major upgrades planned for June and October. These upgrades will each introduce several key features to the blockchain that will optimize and scale Cardano's capabilities. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concepts. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.